In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write articles on Medium with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank page, struggling to come up with an interesting article for Medium? Well, fear not. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your ideas into well-structured articles quickly and easily using ChatGPT. This method is beginner-friendly and will guide you step by step, ensuring you can publish better articles without getting overwhelmed. Let's jump right into the first step, choosing your topic and interacting with ChatGPT effectively. First, open ChatGPT on your device and start thinking about what you'd like to write about. Is it productivity, freelancing, personal growth, or perhaps AI tools and business tips? Remember, it can be any topic that resonates with your niche or interests. The key here is to provide ChatGPT with a clear and precise prompt. Instead of saying something vague like, write something about productivity, make it specific. For example, you might say, write a Medium article on productivity tips with headings and examples. This kind of prompt gives ChatGPT direction, context, and structure, all of which are essential for getting a useful response. The more detailed your request, the more tailored the results will be. You can specify the audience you are targeting, perhaps beginners, entrepreneurs, or content creators. Also, think about the tone you want your article to convey. Do you want it to be friendly, professional, or conversational? The specifications you provide can significantly influence the quality and relevance of the article ChatGPT drafts for you. Now let's move into step 2, adding structure and style to your draft. This is where many writers make significant improvements to their articles. Rather than simply asking for a basic outline, guide ChatGPT to create a well-organized piece. Request catchy titles, introductions, and ask for main points divided into headings and subheadings. This not only helps in structuring the content, but also improves readability. If you like, you can even request specific formatting. For example, asking for H2 or H3 headings can really help to present your information in an easily digestible manner. Remember, readers often scan articles for quick insights before diving deeper into the content. A clearly outlined piece will keep your audience engaged and more likely to read through to the end. If you want even more tailored results, you can ask ChatGPT to write in a specific voice. Maybe you prefer it to have an informative and encouraging tone or be simple and actionable. By providing such details, you make the draft feel closer to your personal writing style, which is essential for connecting with your readers. Now we've reached step 3, editing and personalizing the article. This part is crucial. Even though ChatGPT may provide you with a fantastic draft, you shouldn't just copy and paste it as is. It's important to infuse your personality into the piece. Take the time to add your thoughts, personal experiences, and insights. This not only increases the originality of your article, but also makes it resonate more with your audience. For instance, if ChatGPT gives you a general productivity tip, you might expand on that with a personal experience or a practical example that you've navigated. Even small changes can dramatically enhance the quality of your article, making it feel more genuine and relatable. Finally, we arrive at step 4, publishing on Medium. Once your article is polished and ready to go, copy the final version and paste it into Medium. Start by adding your chosen title at the top, and make sure to review your formatting. Check that the headings, paragraphs, and spacing are all clean and organized. Medium provides easy tools for styling your posts, so take just a moment to ensure that everything is readable. Next, don't forget to add relevant tags. Tags increase the likelihood of your article being discovered, so choose ones that clearly reflect your topic. And if you like, consider adding a cover image to make your post look visually appealing. It can really catch someone's attention before they even start reading your article. Finally, when everything looks good, click that Publish button. And there you have it. You've just learned how to write articles on Medium using ChatGPT, all from selecting a topic to hitting Publish. Remember, it gets easier with practice. Soon you'll be able to whip out great articles in no time. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on AI and writing. Also, if you're interested, I can share how to craft the perfect ChatGPT prompt for Medium articles, or tips on rewriting AI content to sound more human. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.